Video tayo. Nah. Sige lahat tayo. Yan, just me and my wife walking on the red sand. Yeah, because we already finished our 1 hour riding on the ATV, so we need to bring back the ATV because if we exceed the time, we will pay for the excess time. We don't have money, so that's why we are walking on the aisles. walking on the red sand. Ayan. So we enjoy the red sand, the what we call, we enjoy the weather, the cold weather here in the red sand. Yeah, just me and my wife.